go with easy level. Can you tell how many apples are there on the tree? Count before time run out. Yes, you are correct. There are 15 apples. Now count and answer how many ducks are there in pond. Count carefully. Nice, there are 11 ducks. Look and quickly tell how many cars are on the road. Be quick. Correct, there are 7 cars. Look carefully and try to count all the planets. Yes, it's correct. There are 8 planets in our solar system. How many fishes are there in the tank? Count carefully. Nice, you counted all. There are 12 fishes. Scan the whole image and count all the trees in the park. Count before time run out. Correct, there are 15 trees. Quickly tell how many pencils are there in the holder. Yes, 7 is correct answer. Look carefully and count all the kites flying in the sky. Keep counting. Very good. There are 18 kites in the sky. This is easy. Try to count all the balls in the playground. You got it. Here are 12 balls. Can you spot all the differences between the images? Look carefully. You are amazing. There are 5 differences in these images. Let's level it up and keep counting. Look carefully and tell how many people are waiting on the bus stop. Correct, there are 10 people waiting on bus stop. Now quickly count all the windows in this building. Count fast. Yes, there are 22 windows. Try this and tell how many cows are there in the field. Be careful, here are 18 cows. If got wrong, don't worry, look again. Take a good look and count all the umbrellas. Very good, 14 is correct answer. Now be alert and tell how many types of fruit are there on the shop. Yes, there are 6 types of fruits on shop. Can you quickly count all the buses in the depot? Don't miss anyone. Very good, here are 13 buses. Try to count all the toys kept on the floor. Don't rush. Be careful, here are 10 toys on the floor. Now can you count all the differences in both the images? Very good, here are 5 differences in both images. Now leveling up to hard level, give it a try. Look carefully and try to count all the peoples on the beach. You got it. Here are 25 peoples. Be alert and count how many animals are there in the image. Look carefully. Yes, 8 is correct answer. Answer this hard one. Count the fish in the coral reef. Don't rush, count carefully. You are amazing. Here are 22 fishes. Now carefully count and tell how many birds are there in the flock. Correct, 19 birds. This one needs full focus. How many houses are there in the village? Yes, correct. There are 13 houses and that one is church. Can you spot all the animals in this zoo? Correct. There are 20 animals in this zoo. This is little tricky. Tell how many people are sitting there in the airport. Very good, you are correct. Only 11 people are sitting. Now try this last one. Can you spot all the differences in this village scene? Correct answer is 5 differences. At last, like the video and subscribe the channel for more such quizzes.